Think you've seen every affordable classic? Think again. These 20 forgotten survivors, rare projects, and vintage machines can all be yours for around $5,000 or even less. Number 1. 1967 Cadillac Sedandeville, $2,800, Mooresboro, North Carolina. This 1967 Cadillac Sedandeville is listed for $2,800 in Mooresboro, North Carolina. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing 78,230 miles, it remains a complete full-size luxury sedan that still runs and drives. The seller says the Cadillac is roadworthy, although the tires are old and should be replaced before regular driving. Overall, it is presented as an affordable restoration project for someone looking to bring a classic Cadillac back to its best. Number 2. 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7, $4,950, Girard, Ohio. This 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7 is offered for $4,950 in Girard, Ohio. Powered by a 351 V8 with an automatic transmission, it comes equipped with air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and shows approximately 66,000 miles according to the seller. The seller states that the car runs and drives well with good tires and a recently rebuilt carburetor. It does need a few minor items, including brake attention, and has small cosmetic damage on the passenger side, but overall it appears to be a usable driver.
Number 3. 1963 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, $4,000, in Hillsboro, Tennessee. This 1963 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 is available for $4,000 in Hillsboro, Tennessee. It is equipped with a 394 Rocket V8 and a 3-speed roto-hydromatic automatic transmission with the title already in the seller's name. The engine reportedly starts using an external fuel source, but the transmission is described as bad, and the previous owner had already begun disassembly. Rust is present in the driver's floor and trunk opening, making this an honest restoration project with good patina and plenty of potential. Number 4. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, $5,000, in Granville, Michigan. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is listed for $5,000 in Granville, Michigan. The car is currently undergoing restoration and features a 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Several major restoration items have already been completed, including new floor pans, front fenders, firewall, and engine bay panels. The engine was running previously, but now only starts briefly before shutting off, leaving the next owner with a partially completed restoration to finish.
Number 5. 1970 Pontiac Catalina, $3,800, Manitowoc, Wisconsin. This 1970 Pontiac Catalina is offered for $3,800 in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. Powered by a Pontiac 400 V8 with an automatic transmission, it shows approximately 68,000 miles. The seller says the car needs to be trailered because it requires a new camshaft. Quarter panel rust is also present, but for buyers looking for a full-size Pontiac project, it offers a complete foundation with its original V8. Number 6. 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 XL, $4,800, London, Kentucky. This 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 XL is available for $4,800 in London, Kentucky. It features a 352 FE V8, Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, air suspension, and approximately 92,000 miles. According to the seller, the car runs, drives, and stops well with only minimal rust. Numerous mechanical upgrades have already been completed, although the air suspension has a small leak, and the seller recommends trailering it despite saying it can be driven home.
Number 7. 1966 Pontiac LeMans, $4,250, Newark, Delaware. This 1966 Pontiac LeMans is listed for $4,250 in Newark, Delaware. Powered by a 326 V8 with an automatic transmission, the seller says it runs, drives, shifts, and stops. Although it is operational, the car has been off the road for some time, and the seller recommends transporting it. A carburetor rebuild would be beneficial, and while the frame is solid, rust is present in the trunk floor, making it an honest driver quality project. Number 8. 1971 Sterling Sebring kit car runs great. $4,850, Wentzville, Missouri. This 1971 Sterling Sebring kit car is offered for $4,850 in Wentzville, Missouri. Built on a Volkswagen chassis with a 4-speed manual transmission, it is one of only a limited number reportedly produced. The seller says the car recently received extensive mechanical work and is ready to drive. Aside from a cracked windshield and older carpet, it appears to be a complete running kit car that can be enjoyed immediately or improved over time.
Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet Nova Concourse, $3,700, Shippenville, PA. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova Concourse is listed for $3,700 in Shippenville, Pennsylvania. Showing approximately 66,000 miles, the automatic-equipped Nova carries antique plates and comes with a title. The seller purchased it as a hobby vehicle, but never found the time to continue with it. It reportedly runs well and has been driven recently, although visible body damage is noted, making it a straightforward project or weekend cruiser. Number 10. 1965 Ford Falcon Future, $5,000, Springfield, Illinois. This 1965 Ford Falcon Future is available for $5,000 in Springfield, Illinois. Equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it has reportedly been used regularly for years and comes with a clean title. The seller says the car runs, shifts, and brakes well, with working heat and solid floor pans. Interior work and some rust remain, but it is described as a dependable driver with attractive patina and could continue serving as an enjoyable classic while improvements are made.
Number 11. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair, $4,750, Monrovia, Indiana. This 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Survivor is located in Monrovia, Indiana, with 64,000 miles and a manual transmission. The seller describes it as a well-preserved Survivor that has received extensive mechanical maintenance over time. Recent work reportedly includes a new fuel tank, rebuilt carburetors, electronic ignition, complete brake system service, fresh gaskets, suspension components, and a full tune-up. According to the seller, it has also been freshly serviced and many additional parts have been replaced beyond what is listed. Rather than being a major project, this appears to be a running classic that has already benefited from significant maintenance. At $4,750, it could appeal to buyers looking for a vintage Corvair that is ready to enjoy while continuing minor improvements over time. Number 12. 1974 Chevrolet C10, $5,000, Rutherfordton, North Carolina. This 1974 Chevrolet C10 is located in Rutherfordton, North Carolina, and is equipped with a 350 V8 backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller says the truck runs and drives well and has already been lowered for a custom stance. Mechanically, the truck reportedly could use some carburetor adjustment, although the seller believes that issue may already be addressed. Cosmetic needs include replacing the tailgate and grille, while the lowered suspension gives the truck a firmer ride in the rear. Overall, this appears to be a usable driver rather than a full restoration project. Priced at $5,000, it offers a solid starting point for someone looking for an affordable square-body style pickup with room for personal upgrades.
Number 13. 1976 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D, $2,500, McRae, Arkansas. This 1976 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe is located near McRae, Arkansas, with 48,000 miles showing. The seller says it runs and can move around the yard, but currently needs additional work before returning to regular road use. Power comes from a 350 V8 upgraded with an Edelbrock aluminum intake and 4-barrel carburetor.
The seller rebuilt much of the brake system and performed a tune-up after the car reportedly sat for roughly 2 decades, although the brakes still need proper bleeding. Additional repairs include replacing the damaged thermostat housing, installing new tires, and fine-tuning the carburetor. There was also a small engine fire that damaged the HVAC wiring. At $2,500, it is presented as an inexpensive restoration project with considerable potential. Number 14. 1973 AMC Hornet Sportabout, $2,000, Lockport, Illinois. This 1973 AMC Hornet Sportabout is located in Lockport, Illinois. The seller describes it as a fairly solid wagon with a clean interior and only a few visible rust areas. It is powered by a 258 inline-6 that currently has a misfire despite receiving new ignition components, including plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and points. The vehicle also needs brake work before returning to regular driving. For buyers searching for an affordable AMC project, this one offers a complete starting point at just $2,000. The seller even suggests it could become the basis for an engine swap or a straightforward restoration.
Number 15, 1973 Saab Sonett III, $3,000, Shelbyville, Indiana. This 1973 Saab Sonett III is located in Shelbyville, Indiana, with 26,000 miles shown. It features the Ford-sourced 1.7-liter V4 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and front-wheel drive. The seller says the engine runs, but the car still requires brake lines, fuel lines, and other work before it can be driven safely. The fiberglass body is reported to be in very good condition, although rust has affected parts of the metal structure, including the trunk floor. Numerous spare parts are included, such as the original carpeting and repair panels. At $3,000, this uncommon Saab represents an interesting restoration project for someone looking for a classic that stands out from the crowd. Number 16, 1966 Dodge Charger, $3,000, New Columbia, Pennsylvania. This 1966 Dodge Charger is located in New Columbia, Pennsylvania, with 37,000 miles listed. It is equipped with a 318 V8 and automatic transmission and has reportedly spent many years stored indoors. The body retains rust-free trunk and floor sections, but the roof has damage from a fallen tree limb and the windshield is broken. Numerous spare parts are included, including quarter panels and additional components stored in the trunk. One important detail is that the car is being sold with a bill of sale only and no title. At $3,000, it appears to be a restoration candidate best suited for buyers comfortable taking on a long-term project.
Number 17. 1951 Ford F1 5-star cab, $4,750, Boston, New York. This 1951 Ford F1 5-star cab pickup is located in Boston, New York. Fresh from long-term farm storage, it still wears traces of its original blue paint beneath an older repaint. Power comes from a flathead 6-cylinder with a 3-speed column shift transmission. The seller says the truck will run and move with a tow start, but the starter is weak and the truck currently has no brakes. Because of those issues, it will need to be transported rather than driven home. At $4,750, it offers an honest foundation for a restoration or vintage shop truck project.
Number 18. 1979 Chevrolet LUV 4x4 Mikado, $4,500, Tip City, Ohio. This 1979 Chevrolet LUV 4x4 Mikado is located in Tip City, Ohio, with 78,780 miles. It features a manual transmission and retains its factory four-wheel drive system. According to the seller, the engine has been rebuilt and several components have recently been replaced, including ignition parts, alternator, and a Weber carburetor. The truck is also said to run and drive well while carrying a clean title. At $4,500, this appears to be one of the more complete and road-ready compact pickups in the batch, especially for buyers interested in an increasingly uncommon four-wheel drive LUV.
Number 19. 1976 Dodge D100, $4,200, Sevierville, Tennessee. This 1976 Dodge D100 is located in Sevierville, Tennessee, and has been fitted onto a 1989 D150 chassis and drivetrain. Power comes from a fuel-injected 318 V8 with an automatic transmission. The truck has received numerous updates, including new tires, ignition components, windshield, weather stripping, lowered suspension, LED headlights, and several custom modifications. The seller states that it runs well and would not hesitate to drive it long distances. While clearly modified from original specification, it offers a usable classic truck experience at $4,200 for buyers who appreciate custom builds over factory originality. Number 20. 1979 Ford F600 fuel truck, $1,000, Shawnee, Kansas. This 1979 Ford F600 fuel truck is located in Shawnee, Kansas, and is being sold as a non-running commercial vehicle. The 460 gasoline engine is reportedly locked up after water entered the engine. Despite that, the seller says the 5-speed transmission with high-low range remains good, along with the wheels, tires, fuel tank, pumps, and utility bed. Those components may be valuable for restoration or repurposing. At only $1,000, this is best viewed as a heavy-duty project or parts donor, rather than a truck that can quickly return to service. Which one would you take home and restore first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more affordable classic cars and hidden project finds. Thanks for watching.